It's that time. Surprise package time. Surprise package time. What did you order? I don't know. Goods ordered a long time ago. And look at the size of this thing. Oh, it's huge. Oh, a couple of things floating around in here. Oh, it finally happened. Somebody sent me severed heads. Nah, check this out. I know what this one is, because what else could it be? Foam heads. I got a lot of masks, and I can put my virtual reality goggles on here too. There's a couple of different versions of these. They were like $3. Sign off, you need, I don't know, if you're a sniper and you need target practice, or if you're just into making costumes and stuff. $3 from AliExpress. Boy, she is a rough girl. She's seen a little time in prison. Still, $3, you know, you can't expect too much from a cheap woman. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. I think I ordered a couple different versions. Just because I was pretty sure they're foam, so I was pretty sure they would get damaged in transit. Also, this has some different looks. What was I? I'll get her out of this package. She's suffocating in the bag! I don't think she'd be suffocating with the rest of her body. Alright. Well, these, oh, no, these are the same ones. Jeez, I could have sworn I ordered another version. Oh, shit. Maybe I did. Because here's a bunch more of them. You know, when you see something's worth $3, sometimes you order a couple. Ah, here we go. This one's for all my masculine gear. My manly stuff. Oh, crud. I've lost my accessories in all this wasteland. So check this out. This dude does not look a damn thing like me, but I could not find one that looked like a fat white guy, so I'll have to settle with him. Bum, bum, bum. I need one that's just like really puffy cheeks and like 2 chins. And then, bum, bum. Thank you, Samsung, for finding a software update in the middle of my video. So, I hate automatic software updates, and I'm not in love with Samsung. Jerks. Alright, let's continue unpacking my severed heads. How dare they interrupt my unpacking of my severed heads with their software update. Those crazy people. Let's see. Oh, here we go. This is, I don't know. Oh, it's supposed to be a pretty woman or a child or something. They had some different looks, so, you know, $3, what the hell. Okay, enough with the incredibly creepy severed heads. Oh man, I'm gonna find something really disgusting to do with those. No, not that. Get your mind out of the gutter. Okay. How are you gonna make a video about, you know, freaking mannequin heads and not have it come out weird? It's just not possible. It can't be done. Can't be done. Not by me, because I'm weirdo. Let's see. You know, this package. A small, mysterious box. It is weird how all these things showed up. Because I think I ordered them days apart. Or maybe the same day. I don't know. You know, I don't put a lot of thought into stuff I order. As the video title might suggest, surprise package rather than really planned financial time. Well, it's got some video cable in it of some kind. What are you? What are you? What magical item are you from the Far East? Oh, cool! This is the board for that 3.5 inch round video display. I got a hold of the display and I thought it would work. Ooh, that's not good. I got a hold of the display and I thought it would work with one of the other boards I had back when I thought the 5-inch ones didn't work at all. And they actually do work, and I just happen to have really bad equipment. This is one of those things you pop open. Perfect. Wonder if I should pause everything and find out if this video, or if this board works. You know what? Let's get to this in a minute. I would much rather find out what is in the last remaining package. Oh, wait. The second to last remaining package. Oh, jeez, there's another one here. What are you? Surprises abound. It's like Santa Claus came to visit. But he was a very loud man from China. You buy now. Yes, sir. I don't know. He could have been a charming fellow. We only spoke over email. Huh. Looks like... Oh! Check out this little weird thing right here. This is a focused antenna for a software-defined radio that supposedly will bring in one station really, really well. Unfortunately, that station plays very... Let's see, focus right here. Focus right here. Thank you. That station brings in commercial rock and roll, which I'm definitely not allowed to play on my channel. But if nothing else, I mean, look, this is a kind of cool thing. It costs like $10, and I picked it up just because it looked cool. I was a little surprised when I bought this. The guy actually contacted me in a message like, "You did not tell us what frequency you want this tuned to." I was like, I don't care. I just thought it would look neat. So I named out the first radio station I could think of. Bob FM. It's a pretty good radio station if you're in the area. Okay. Another neat object, which I guess I'll have to show you later. Still, one package remains. Look at this. This really is like Christmas. It's just an orgy of wrapping paper everywhere. This one is a big one. What did my little Asian Santa send me this time? AliExpress. I'm putting kids through school in Shenzhen. I think they're in Shenzhen. Everything cool is in Shenzhen. There you go. Oh. Fancy boxing going on here. Ooh, better be careful. I don't know what's on the other side of this tape. I definitely don't want to mess it up. You know, considering all the styrofoam, you'd expect to find a can or two of beer in here. Ooh. Oh! A present I got from my mother. Let's see. Carefully remove this. I actually was willing to take bets with people on whether or not this showed up in one piece. Because this is really fragile looking, isn't it? But, here we go. Ooh. Wow. And it's not even really seriously attached. I am very surprised this showed up and didn't break. I believe this cost me less than $15. They had like a million versions of it. And I thought this one would appeal to my mother's sensibilities. Because she likes tacky stuff. Oh man, I can't get this stuff off. It's packed so well, I might have to send it back to him and be like, "Hey, can you unwrap this for me?" Isn't that pretty? It's definitely tacky. Yeah, but it's pretty. Let's see, I believe it's USB. Whoa. I don't want to pull too hard on anything, because I'm amazed any of this got here in one piece. You know what? I'm going to pause the video and see if I can figure out how to plug this in. Alright, I figured it out. That is not a USB cable. Those are, in fact, the little tiny lights. Because this thing's supposed to light up. And they did a really good job wrapping that up. Because I don't even understand how to unwrap it. Anyways, it is powered by batteries. Is it 2 batteries? Because you always get these things in even amounts. No, it's 3 batteries because screw you. I hope you like buying batteries. Why? You know, a resistor would allow them to use 2 batteries or 4 batteries. But now, you kind of need to are going to need you to use 3 batteries and then buy a lot of extra batteries. See, those are the lights. Okay, let me see if I can unwrap this crazy thing they got going on here and tuck it in the way it's supposed to be. Be right back. Okay, almost there. Almost got it all. Oh my god. This is the most creative way of wrapping a wire I've ever seen in my life. And by creative, I mean insane. Who does this? Boy Scouts have never seen knots like this. I guarantee you. Why? Why would anyone do this to a perfectly good wire? Okay. So we got here is a crap ton of this little stuff. And I guess you just start cramming in there. Artistically cram. Somehow. Another. Oh my god. Okay. No, wait. Oh, I think maybe I got it. Maybe I don't got it. Oh, yes I do. Alright, here we go. So we just sort of wrap this around and try not to make it tangle in itself. You know, the picture on the internet photo was clearly somebody who wasn't dealing with one of these cords that had already been tied. Still, 12 bucks. I can't complain that much. Well, I can. I'm totally good at complaining. But I'm not going to try to complain that much because it was, again, 12 bucks. It was a 16. It wasn't a lot. Oh, man. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think we got it. That's pretty artistic. By artistic, I mean utterly insane looking. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. I swear. Oh, shit. I still got a bunch of it on the outside. Come on. Artistically get in that box. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. I got it in. Nothing is holding this thing together, though, because there's no glue here. It doesn't screw in. Look at that. Artistically crammed. Maybe it's part of the genius. Maybe I'm just not understanding. They're just too high level for me over there. Wherever they manufactured this at. Some province of the Far East. Yeah, you know what? Still love it. Even though it uses 3 batteries, and I hate that, and even though it's not tied down, and I hate that, and even though the wiring was bowed together in the weirdest way I've ever seen, this is still pretty darn cool. Whatever it cost me, it was less than 20 bucks. I remember that. Well, I think my mother is going to be impressed with this little bit of, well, basically shelf-wasting space. It serves no purpose at all. Alright. I'll post some follow-up videos when I'm playing with some of the other stuff, like the 3.5-inch round LCD screen. But that'll do it for this episode of Surprise Package Time!